Tired of the double booking nightmare and juggling multiple platforms? Let's ditch the chaos and connect your Airbnb and Booking.com calendars for a smoother, stress-free hosting experience. First, log into your Airbnb account, then click on Calendar for the listing you'd like to sync. Next, look for Sync Calendar and click on it. Select Import Calendar. Copy the Airbnb calendar link shown on your screen. Now, head over to Booking.com and sign in. Choose the property you wish to update and click on Calendar and Pricing. After this, select Sync Calendars, then click Add Calendar Connection. A window will pop up asking for the iCal calendar link. Paste the Airbnb calendar link you copied earlier in a prompted field. Give your calendar name to easily identify. Click Next Step, and then click Done. Great! Now let's export the Booking.com calendar to Airbnb. On Booking.com, click Sync Calendars again. This time, click Copy next to Booking.com calendar export link. Go back to Airbnb and click on Import Calendar. Paste the Booking.com calendar link you just copied in the prompted field. Name your calendar and then click Import Calendar. And that's it. Your Airbnb and Booking.com calendars are now linked. This will help prevent double bookings, but make sure to check both calendars regularly. Happy hosting!